Hey guys, what's up? So this is a follow video that Serenity Grain Filter was removed from Miguel's account. Now this filter is back to his account. The link is same. Okay, anyway, I'll show you how you can get this. So this is the filter. Okay, let me remove this first. To get this, just visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the snap code for this filter. If you're browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snap code with your Snapchat mobile app. And if you're browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snap code and open it with Snapchat. Okay, you will see this pop-up. Tap on unlock for 48 hours. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter back. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.